Stuck with the Moricons Library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we prepare to resolve Moricons library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Moricons library, a legacy system library containing the original icon set for MS-DOS applications and early Windows setup utilities. While largely visual, its corruption can cause the Windows shell to lag when generating thumbnails for legacy shortcuts, and its disappearance is often a sign of a deeper system registry corruption. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. Moricons is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scannow from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Moricons library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Moricons Library DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Moricons library. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Moricons library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.